Students, welcome back to the e-class of St. Joseph's Academy, Mariam Nagar, Ghaziabad. I hope you all are well and safe at your home. Class 1, subject is mathematics, topic is subtraction on number line. Presented by your mathematics teacher, Miss Nikita Kane. In this class, we are going to learn number 1, quick recap. We will see the quick recap of our previous class. Number 2, we will learn number line. Number 3, we will learn how to do subtraction on a number line. Number 4, we will discuss the homework. Quick recap. Students, before starting our today's class, let us have a quick recap of our previous class. We have learned the topic subtraction in our previous class. Students, before this class, that means in our last class, we have learned the topic subtraction. Subtraction means taking away. For example, 5 minus 3. From 5, take away 3. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. If we take away 3 from 5, we get 2 as our answer. Now, let us see what we are going to learn in our today's class. We are going to learn the topic subtraction on a number line in our today's class. Our today's topic is subtraction on a number line. In our previous class, we have learned how to do subtraction, and in today's class, we will learn how to do subtraction on a number line. Subtraction. Now, what is the meaning of subtraction? Subtraction means taking away. Minus sign shows subtraction. For example, 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. From 4, if we subtract 2 or minus 2, we get 2 as answer. Students, this is the picture of a number line. A number line always starts with a number 0 and it has no end. We can extend a number line to any number. Now you can see that the numbers which are on the left hand side, if we move from right to left, then now let us learn how to solve the questions of subtraction on a number line. Or we can say that how we can do subtraction on a number line. Now the question is 7 minus 4. So first of all, we will draw a number line. We will draw a one straight line with the arrows on both the sides, and then we will mark numbers from 0 to 10. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now see the question. First number is 7. So we will move our arrow from 0 to 7. Now from these 7 numbers, minus 4. Subtract 4 numbers, so we will count 4 numbers backward. So we will move from 7 to 3. If we minus 4 numbers from 7, we will move 4 steps backwards. 6, 5, 4, 3. So the answer is 3. 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. 6 minus 4. First number in the question is 6. So we will move from 0 to 6. Now minus 4. We have to minus 4. We will move 4 steps backward. So we will do backward counting 4 steps backward. 5, 4, 3, 2. We reach at 2. So we will move from 6 to 2. So 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. 7 minus 3. First number in the question is 7. So we will move from 0 to 7. Now minus 3. In order to minus 3, we have to count backwards 3 steps. That means we will count backwards 3 numbers. 6, 5, 4. We reach at 4. So we will move from 7 to 4. 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. 8 minus 4. First number is 8, so we will move from 0 to 8. Minus 4. We have to minus 4, so we will move 4 steps backward. We will count 4 numbers backward. 7, 6, 5, 4. We reach at 4. So we will move from 8 to 4. Hence 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. 10 minus 1. First number is 10, so we will move from 0 to 10. Minus 1. We have to minus 1, so we will move 1 step backward. We will count 1 number backward. 9. So we reach at 9. We will move from 10 to 9. Hence 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. 7 minus 6. First number is 7, so we will move from 0 to 7. Minus 6. We have to minus 6, so we will move 6 steps backward. Or we will count 6 numbers backward. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We reach at 1. So we will move from 7 to 1. Hence 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. Students, please note down your homework. Your homework is to complete page number 20 in your mathematics book. My dear students, thank you so much for listening to me very patiently. I hope to see you soon in our next mathematics class. Till then, be safe and complete your homework.